everybody? I'm here today with a driving lesson for beginners on adjusting your focal point while driving. That's right, I'm going to be going over the basics of adjusting your focal point while you are driving. Now, when you're driving, you're going to have a focal point, and what that means is it is essentially the point ahead or to the side in which you are focusing on something. That is essentially your focal point, and there is a way that you have to adjust it. Sorry, I'm just waving by to the crossing guard that I know there. There is a way that you have to adjust it while you're driving, and I'm going to demonstrate and explain. So the first adjustment that you have to make is when you're turning. Now, regularly you're focusing up ahead. That's your focal point, up ahead. However, when you're turning, you are looking slightly to the direction of the turn. So if I'm going to be turning right, I'm going to be looking slightly to my right about there. If I'm turning left, I'm looking slightly to my left, right about here. By doing that, when your focal point is slightly to your left or slightly to your right, then you can now see the road in front of you out here, out of the windshield at the front, and the road towards the direction that you're turning. So like I said, I'm not looking all the way to the left. I'm also not looking completely straight. I'm changing my focal point, adjusting it to be like basically right here against this. That's like essentially where I'm looking. So I'm going to make a right turn up ahead, and now I'm going to adjust my focal point. So check this out. I'm going to come to a stop at the stop sign, and you'll see where I look. Like, I'm not even going to think about it. I'm going to let this car pass over here, this truck. I'm just going to let it pass so I can sort of take my time and make this turn. But now as I'm turning, doing my mirror checks and my blind spot check, okay? Now as I'm turning, you usually look, I'm focusing right there. There's my focal point, and now it goes back here. So you adjust your focal point, firstly, when you're turning. Whether you're making a right or a left turn, you're going to adjust it towards that direction. The second situation in which you will be adjusting your focal point is if the car in front of you brakes or signals or does anything like swerves or anything like that, anything unusual, okay? So essentially what it comes down to is this. I'm driving right now. My focal point is far, far ahead. So when you're driving regularly, your focal point is going to be way up ahead. But when a car in front of you brakes, your focal point then changes to that specific car. You're now looking at that car in order to estimate your braking distance. Right now, I'm waiting to make a left, and I'm coming close to the car in front of me, so now I'm looking at the car because I have to brake and not rear end this person in front of me, okay? So at the end of the day, your regular driving focal point is up ahead, far ahead. You want to be looking like many car lengths up ahead. Essentially, you're looking as far ahead as you can see, basically. But then, when you potentially turn, you're going to change your, or I should say, adjust your focal point towards the direction of the turn, slightly, right or left. And then, when the car in front of you does something, like when they brake, your focal point will then change. So right now, I'm focusing up ahead. I think this guy in front of me is going to brake. Yeah, so now I'm looking at, like, automatically, as soon as I see their brake lights in front of me, my focal point changes to their vehicle, okay? Immediately. And as soon as I see a signal, it changes, because you want to see what they're doing, right? That, like, the reason that cars have brake lights is to inform you of what they're going to do. And the best way that they can inform you is as soon as you see those brake lights, you're looking at them, now you can react accordingly. But that's it. That is the essence of adjusting your focal point while driving. It's not hard, and to be honest with you, it becomes automatic. Look, the guy just braked, and all of a sudden I'm looking at the truck, right? You know, it becomes automatic, essentially, right? I don't think about doing these things. I actually, when I was planning out this video, I actually had to stop and look at what I was doing while I was adjusting my focal point, because it's just natural. It's just what you do. But that's it. This has been a simple driving lesson for beginners on adjusting your focal point while driving. Like I said, with practice, it will indeed become automatic. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.